how y'all doing? Man, I am a gadget freak. I love gadgets. I love accessories to the gadgets. And this video is some gadget accessories that I picked up for $5 or less. Number one is this cool little tablet phone holder. Let me show you how it works. Stick the phone in between the hands. There you go. Put it down on the desk. There you go. You can also put it in landscape mode. And trust me, folks, it will fit from an iPod Touch up to my Galaxy Tab 3, which is a 7-inch tablet. So yeah, it can hold it. The second thing is Pocket Juice, this cool little battery charger. Forgot how many milliamps it is. Oh wow, should have did an unboxing, but hey, I had so much stuff. The third thing is the stylus. Yeah, the stylus. I will be giving away the stylus along with some other stuff, so stay tuned for that video. And the fourth and final thing, these headphones. Now these headphones are cheaply made. They fit kind of cool, but they're very, very cheap. They're cheaply made, but here's the thing. They have a good bass response. I did not believe it was going to have that great of a low-end response. It does. It has really good bass response. Also, I use it with my iPhone and my iPod. You can go in and mess around with the EQ on the iPod and on the iPhone. You can, and the setting that I use is flat, and it sounds so good. It reminds me of when I used to work in a recording studio, and we used to have some very flat speakers to mix with. And you can, yeah, these headphones are pretty good for $5. They're pretty good. But yeah, if this is your first time to my video, if this is the first time to my channel, hit that subscribe button, come on back. I'm out, folks. Love, peace, and chicken grease. Until the next time when I go shopping and get some more stuff that I don't need. Peace out.